Hi, this is Bosch's new GKW 18V-26. This is our first rear handle circular saw. Rear handle so workers can have better control from the back. Also better sight lines. When you want to see the blade, you have right down to the blade and out in front. Also, we can see extra reach. We can reach all the way across to the other side of the board with this rear handle. This saw mimics a traditional worm drive style saw. This one will have extra power though. The way we're doing this, we have a constant speed electronics. We're holding that 5,000 RPMs much longer than traditional tools. Let's give it a shot.
All right, Western Toolbox Buzz here at the Bosch booth here, World of Concrete 2025. And I'm playing around with the new about 18-volt concrete cutoff saw that Bosch has on the market. And one of the things that we really like about this is the fact that I have such an easy blade guard adjustment system here with locking detents. Also, you'll notice on this tool, the water line is completely shielded. This is a high fail part in a lot of saws like this because they just get abused, they get tossed around. So by Bosch moving that line into the housing of the tool itself, it's protected and shielded. This also is a user serviceable part. This shield can come off, the whole line can be replaced, and then it's back up, the tool's back in service.